Yo, what is up guys, it's Nick back with another video, and today I have another unboxing for you guys. And today we're going to be unboxing the Yeezy 500 in the blush colorway. Now if you guys are new to the channel, I do stuff like this almost every single day, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing.
You been inside, know you like to lay low. I've been peeping what you bringing to the table. Working hard, girl, everything paid for. First, last phone bill, car, no cable.
Alrighty you guys can barely see me, but right here I got the Yeezy 500 box right here, straight from Yeezy Supply, and you know that by where it says from, and it says fulfillment, and of course because you ordered it from Yeezy Supply, but there's a crap ton of shipping stuff on this thing. We got 4 stickers right here. I marked out all my information, but we got 4 of them, so that's kind of crazy. 4 stickers just to go to one place. So let's go ahead and just crack this bad boy open. We're going to start with the sides. Now if you guys didn't see when I got this, I did not get it on the worldwide release. I got this on the pre-release. I think that was back in January, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I think so. I got one pair, and then my girlfriend got another pair. She got the size 11 and I got a size 11.5. Now I was looking to resell these for a pretty high price, but then again, Yeezy Supply released them worldwide with numerous quantities, so that resale just automatically died. Let's go ahead and just show you the Yeezy 500 box. Just like every single other Yeezy box, it's just got that 500. Like on this pair, we got the 350, just whatever they are. So let's just go ahead and get this out of the package, throw that off to the side, and get our first look at the Yeezy 500 box. So right here up on the front, we got the 500. And on the side right here, we got Yeezy 500, made by Adidas. Now we do not see that boost in there because there's no boost in this sole. It is only Adipreme. And then on this side, and you know it's from Yeezy Supply when it has the little fulfillment sticker up the top. Adidas does not come with a fulfillment sticker just because Yeezy Supply only does. And as you can see right here, it says Yeezy 500, and if you look close enough, they put a sticker over top of the sticker underneath which said Yeezy Desert Rat 500. I guess Yeezy Supply just decided to change the name last minute, but a little closer look at the actual sticker. We got a size US 11.5, blush, and then Adidas Originals, and you got all your other stuff, made in China stuff. So let's go ahead and just slide this bad boy on out of here, just like every single Yeezy box. Here, I'll flip it this way for you guys. Let's just slide this out. Alright, so first look right here, we got them in the regular Yeezy paper. Go ahead and separate this. Alright, there we go. Let's crack these out of the paper right here. Now these are some big shoes right here. First impressions, just do a little smell test. Smells straight up like glue, I promise you. You put some super glue down, smells exactly like that right there. Just looking around the shoe, let's go ahead and just get the other shoe out. Here we go. And put this off to the side, right there. Alright, so this is a look at both of the shoes right here. We got a whole lot of stuff, whole lot of materials that were made, incorporated into this shoe. Right here on the toes, we got suede. And on every single aglet on the Yeezy 500s, we got suede. And then underneath that, we got some nice leather. There's leather everywhere on this shoe. Now, if not mistaken, this little lining right here, right above the Adidas symbol, we got that little, looks just like it's like rubber or whatever, holding everything together right there on the inner foot. But then we got the patent leather right there with the stitching. And then we got right here that little thin line. I'm pretty sure that is 3M, so whenever you take a picture of it, it's gonna flash up, look pretty cool, make your shoes stand out than any other people's shoes. And right here, just to look at the bottom of the shoe, we got the non-marking sole. And now again, this is made with Adipreme. There's no boost incorporated into the shoe, so this looks more like a basketball shoe than it does anything, just because of the Crazy 8 Adidas shoes that released way back when. This has the similar design to them, and I don't know who it was, but an NBA player was spotted wearing these shoes in the game, so that's pretty cool. And then up here at the toe again, we have the Adidas logo. Now just looking inside the shoe, we have the Ortholite insole with Yeezy and Adidas. Once again, on the insole, it's just straight Adiprene, no boost incorporated into the shoe. And just some of my thoughts, my personal opinion, I don't really like this shoe just because I don't really like clunky shoes. I like my shoes to be more like running shoes, a little more comfortable. Now I did slip these on just a little bit, and the top is pretty comfortable, but the bottom is nothing like Boost. Boost is just a crazy material that Adidas came up with, or not really came up with, but they incorporate it into their shoes, and it is just the most comfortable shoe that you'll ever put on your feet. So that's not what these have Adiprene. Overall, it's a crazy looking shoe, and once again, like I said, the toes are made with suede. I really like the suede on these shoes. It feels pretty nice, and I've been saying the aglets, the end of the shoelaces. I meant to be saying the eyes of the shoe. We got 3 of them on each side, so that makes 6, and then we got some in the middle. But we're not really going to count those because those don't really have suede on them. Now the suede is everywhere, nice and stitched, and we have mesh on the inner. Now all in all, this is a pretty nice shoe, but I will not be keeping this in my collection or wearing the shoe. I will be reselling on StockX. So I guess that pretty much wraps it up for the unboxing. So that, guys, was my unboxing of the Yeezy 500s. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully you guys learned a little bit more about the shoe. And if you guys did, don't forget to smack that like button. And if you really want to, hit that subscribe button. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the Spring-Summer 2018 season. And if you guys want to be a part of the fam, go ahead and hit that. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.